account dashboard is a great way of seeing a high-level view of your account activity. Let's log in and see what that looks like. Simply hover over your account menu and go to Account Dashboard. On the account dashboard, you can see aspects such as the order summary. This shows you your open orders, shipped orders, pending orders, completed orders, and also gives you access to your invoices. Simply click on the number or the text to view that area. You can also select your My Web Orders to see those orders that you have specifically placed yourself. Down the right hand side we have email notification preferences. This means that you, as the end user, can set what preferences you want for the notifications we send you, be that an order confirmation, shipping notification, or delivery notification. Simply toggle this on and we will save your preferences. Scrolling further down, you will see more information around your account activity. This includes the quotes that you've most recently placed. Simply click on the quote reference number to see the details for that quote, or click on the quotes header to have an overall view of all of your quotes with Fisher Scientific. Down the left hand side you'll see quick access to your lists. Simply click on the list that you want to view and that will be shown immediately. You can also create a list from this area. As new functionality comes into Fisher Scientific's website, we'll give simple access from this area, so it's always worth checking out your account dashboard.